The Litigation and Violations section is a disclosure section. In other words, the CalCompetes team uses this information to your benefit. A help us to help you. We understand that in today's business climate, it is not uncommon for a business to be involved in some sort of litigation or regulatory violation, especially as it gets larger. In the final stage of the evaluation process, a public meeting is held by the California Competes Committee. During this meeting, any person can make a public comment while the committee deliberates on the approval of your application. If a person or one of the committee members calls attention to litigation or violations that your company is involved in, a response is expected from our team. If we are unable to provide an answer, this could harm your chance of approval. However, if we are able to provide a response in advance, because we are aware of the situation as disclosed by you in this section, we can address any comments that could potentially harm your chance of approval. This is your opportunity to tell us what happened and how you resolved or will resolve this issue. Please mark yes or no for each question in this section. If you are currently involved in any material litigation, please describe the material litigation in the designated box. Material litigation is any litigation that could jeopardize your company's ability to grow in California. When you are finished with this section, click the Complete button.